So today we're gonna make tteokbokki with Korean best chef Mr. Baek's recipe. So I prepared some ingredients for tteokbokki. So let's go. So first we need to prepare some ingredients for tteokbokki. So Mr. Baek said you have to prepare the 50 milligram of gochugaru, red pepper powder. 많은데? 70 gram of brown sugar, 70 gram of black soy sauce, and 80 gram of red pepper jang. Finally, we end up to make tteokbokki. We divide into small portion, and I will upload the grams of these ingredients in here, so please check it. Let's go to the kitchen. So first, you should clean up this green onion. And cut like, you could choose any kind of cutting style, but I prepared this one. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So you should cutting this green onion, but in any way you could cut this like in that way, cut in half, or cut in like rounded shape. So anything is okay, so don't mind of this cutting style. And this leaf part, please do not cut like this rounded shape. Just big cutting style, big as you can. Holy. So the next step is cutting the fish cake in slice like this. And this shape is good for eating and also traditional in Korea. So the cutting step is over. The next step is put the sauce in this bowl. So let's go. And the next step is putting the water in your bowl. So maybe 1 liter would be the best combination for this tteokbokki recipe. And I will put every sauce in this bowl. Soy sauce, and the red pepper paste, 뜨거. 냄새는 smell is good. Could you try some?
이 떡 사실
제법 깔롱이 나는데? Let's put some rice cake. 두구두구두구두구. And I will try this. I like fish cake, so I will try it first. It's great, but a little too spicy. The chewy. And thank you for watching this video. Please make better tteokbokki than me. Bye.